Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make featured products in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, make sure that you are in your admin panel of WordPress, and basically for this feature, we will need just to have some extensions. And simply, we need to go to WooCommerce and we will need just to search for extensions that would add this feature to us. And in this case, I'm just going to type featured and we will have our WooCommerce marketplace that would have these ones. So this one are products key features or really simple featured videos. So what we want is the featured listing. And basically you can choose any one of these and you can add them to WooCommerce and simply it will add this feature to your store. Or you can simply go to the plugins and then we can go to add new plugin and type features or featured and simply type featured products or featured or whatever, and it will show us many plugins that we can use. So from here you can have default featured image, etc. But what we want is a feature product, and simply you can use some plugins from these. And for the recommendation, as you can see, there is this one, the featured products first for WooCommerce as an extension, etc. In my case, I already have this plugin that will add some recommendations to my store, and basically it is this one, products and WordPress filter, and there is another one which is added in my WooCommerce, and as you can see it will add related products so it can create some recommendation. So it is called related products for WooCommerce, and you can add whatever you like to be featured in the store. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.